Okay, good morning. This is our arithmetic practice for Group 2. And in the arithmetic, we are going over addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division today. So I'm just going to give you a few examples just to kind of help warm up our brains before we do our test. Okay, so there's just an addition question there, which is 12 at 18. And I can see straight away that I want to add my tens together. So I've got 10 and 10 equals 20. And then I've got my 2 and 8 that make a number bond to 10. Because 2 and 8, or 8 and 2, is 10. And 20 and 10 equals 30. Okay, so this time I've got 345 at 37, 3 hundreds, 4 tens, 5 ones, and 3 tens, 7 ones. So I'm just going to put those into the column method. Now, really important to do your workings out, do them in your books, okay? And then my 3 tens would actually go here because they're tens and my 7 ones. And then we've got 5 at 7, or 7 at 5, which is 12. So we'd put our 1 in the tens column and our 2 down here. And now we've got 4 at 3, which is 7, add 1, 8. And 3 at nothing, or, yep, 3 at nothing is 3. Okay, so a bit of a subtraction. I've got 23, take away 7. So you could count down in your ones. But what I'm going to do is, I've got 20, add a 3. So, if I take 3 off here, that leaves me with 4. And I'll do the same over here. I'm going to take that 3 off. So I've taken away 3 already. Because 23 take away 3 equals 20. So now I've got 20 take away 4. So you could say, well, that's 4 at something equals 20. You could use your knowledge of number bonds. So that would be 16. Okay, so this time I've got 412 take away 37. And again, it's good that if you try this yourselves, so write these in your book on a piece of paper and practice. So pause your video and have a go at answering that. And then put your place holders on, place value, hundreds, tens and ones. So I've got 2 take away 7. Okay, so I've got 2 take away 7. Now I can't do that, so I need to go next door into my tens, take a 10 away, that leaves me with 0, and put that 1 next to the 2. And that becomes now 12. 12 ones. Take away 7. So I could do 12, take away 2. And then take away 5 would be 5. Now, problem here is I've got 0, take away 3. So how am I going to do that? So then we have to go over here next door and we take a 100 away. And it leaves me with 300s, and I put that 1 over here. So now I've got 10. Take away 3, which is 7. And I've got 3, take away nothing is 3. So your answer would be 375. Okay, just going to do a bit of multiplication. So 13 times 4. 13 lots of 4. I could write my 4 out 13 times, but that would take me ages. So what I could do here is just partition. I've got 1 10 and 1 3. So I could say 10 times 4 and 3 times 4. So 10 fours are 40. And 3 4s, 12. Put them together, 52. Or we could do the column way. 13 times 4. Then my 10s, then my 1s. So 4 times 3. So we start from the bottom and go to the top. So 4 times 3, which is 12. You might put your 1 down here or your 1 up here. And then 4 times 1 is 4. Add the 1 is 5. And then the division one, 24 divided by 4. It's asking you how many 4s are in 24. So you could count up in your 4 times tables. Okay? Or you could do sharing. So you could say 24 sweets, share between 4 children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. There you can see each child would have 6 sweets each. So your answer would be 6. Lots of other ways to do division. So you could do it as the kind of bus stop method, but that's only really ideal for larger numbers. So that way you say, okay, how many 4s are in 2? Well, there isn't, so you'd cross that off and say how many 4s are in 24, and then we've got the same thing again, haven't we? So it's not really beneficial for smaller numbers. So how many 4s are in 24? 6. So I've just gone over methods for all 4 number operations there. Okay, so now you're going to have a go at the arithmetic test. So do your best. It's 12 questions and see how we go.